Hi, it's Snessonic. Final drop today, Block B BASTARZ. I'm expecting this one to sound a bit more like Zero from Conduct, because the teaser looked pretty dark. So we'll see how it goes. I'm excited to watch this too, and what a day it's been, really. EXO, VIX and Block B. This is just the best day ever. Here we go. Oh, here we go. God. What? What did you do, Pio? This feels so dark already. Oh. What? What is going on? It feels like someone stroked out, okay? Someone stroked out. You know what? I had a feeling that I would be kind of disgusted by this video already. That being said, I like the song really much. This is definitely the style of BASTARZ that I like most. Oh, are you digging your own grave? What is that thing? Oh my God. There's so much stuff going on. What? Is the video supposed to be like that? Okay. Oh my God. My brain hurts right now. This is going in so many weird directions right now. Damn, he looks good. What the fuck? Really? God, that was too much going on at the same time. Love the song, really great. Someone stroked out making this. I'm quite sure that's what actually happened. This has been a great day to be a K-pop fan. I can't wait to see what's coming out in the next month. There are some great bands that have comebacks in November. B2B and BAP being two of them. Thank you for watching, guys. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.